If teaching your student how to write fills you with absolute dread, you are not alone. In fact, I think after teaching math, teaching writing is a homeschool parent's biggest challenge. Hi, I'm Julie Kiris. I'm a fellow homeschool mom and classical conversations parent. I'm also an author and a teacher. I'm an IEW registered instructor and a former essentials tutor for classical conversations for 5 years. I have led my own boys as well as dozens of CC families and online families through the IEW program. IEW has been a huge blessing in my life as an instructor, but also for my children in teaching them clear ways to write confidently. This workshop is for new to essential students, returning essential students who need a refresher, and also for challenged students who did not take essentials and want the benefit of some of those IEW skills. You might be familiar with a book that looks a little bit like this. This is the IEW Ancient History-Based Writing Lessons that CC uses in Cycle 1. This book will guide your students through 9 units that cover note-taking and outlining, writing from an outline, rewriting stories, summarizing, writing research papers, inventive writing, critique writing. No doubt your CC program is going to have video viewings where Andrew Pudawa himself will walk you through these units in great detail, and I highly encourage every one of you to take advantage of those video viewings. But you might be thinking, how else can I go about preparing myself and my student for the IEW program or using the IEW skills? Perhaps you have a student who is new to essentials and want a taste of what's coming. Perhaps you have a returning essential student who needs to brush up on their skills. Or you might have a new to challenge, rising challenge student who didn't get the benefit of essentials years and is wondering, what are their classmates talking about when they say dress ups or LY opener? Or as a parent, you just might want to know some of the skills that are introduced in the IEW program so you can support your student. My IEW Basics workshop is going to cover all those kinds of students and answer all those questions for you. So whatever the reason, when it comes to writing, the best thing is to get your hands into the dough and try it out for yourself. My Basics of IEW workshop is a 2-day, 3-hour workshop that covers the first 3 basic skills introduced in IEW's writing structure and style. We're going to cover keyword outlining, the KWO, as well as 2 dress-ups, the ly adverb and the who-which clause. These basic writing skills are foundational to the IEW program and are used in every single unit and every single paper as students progress. This workshop will also give you the confidence to know that you absolutely can guide your student to become successful writers. And you'll be reassured that these materials are effective and supportive of your work as a homeschool parent. We'll also have a Q&A time where you can ask me any questions. And as part of this workshop, we're also going to have a time where I discuss how the IEW skills and vocabulary used in essentials translate to the skills and techniques used in Challenge's LTW program. So I'm going to help you make that transition and bridge those 2 programs. My main goal as a writing teacher is to diffuse the stress and the mystery of leading writing instruction with your students so you can have a successful year. So I can't wait to meet you and your student, and I'll see you in the Zoom.